Good morning. In this video, I will guide you that what exactly is our buyer and supplier module and how it will be helpful to you. Let's go to our buyer and supplier module. In this is our buyer and supplier module. So in buyer and supplier module, what main things you can do? The very first thing which you can do is add a company, add your buyer and supplier. So in your right hand side and very top, you will see an option of add company. Click on this. Here you will get an option of add single company, upload multiple companies. Add single company. Through this you can add companies manually one by one. You can select buyer, supplier, or both. If he is purchasing from you, he is a buyer. If he is supplying, if you are purchasing from them, they are supplier. If you are doing both the transaction, buy sell, so you can select both. Company name is mandatory, email ID is mandatory, and address line 1 is mandatory. Remaining details you can fill. City, state is mandatory. Contact person detail. So in each and every company there remains some of the contact person. Like in some company there is only one contact person, in some companies there are multiple contact person. So you can add them from here. In add company, the second option is upload multiple companies. Upload multiple companies. Through this you can download our Excel format and you can upload 200 companies in a single go through our Excel format. We have provided the data format as well. Here you can select it. Now coming back, here is a search for a company. So through this option you can search for any company which is available on TranZact. So suppose like any of the counterparty is also using TranZact, so you can send them invitation by searching from here. Here are the filters of your contact, invitation sent, invitation received. So if someone sends you invitation, you will see in invitation received. If you are sending any invitation, you can see it in invitation sent. Your contact means all the list of buyer and suppliers which you have added or which have been added through the invitation option. Now coming here, all buyer, supplier, and both filter. So here you can use this filter and you can filter out that who are your buyer, supplier according to the adding. When you add in add company, so accordingly they got listed here. Like this one is supplier, buyer. So if I will select any filter, it will display that particular data. From this search option, you can search your connection which is in your buyer and supplier. So this is how the entire dashboard works. Coming to the next part, which is suppose if you wish to add some details in any particular buyer, how you can do that. So from here I will search one company, Air Tech Solution. So system will display me Air Tech Solution. Now here I have edit option, delete option. Through this delete option you can remove this particular buyer or supplier from your buyer and supplier module. I will click on edit option. So in edit option you will see there are few of the details. Let me describe each and every detail to you. So this company detail segment provides you option of exactly what details you have entered. You can click on this edit option. Now in this edit option, you can change the company name, you can change the GSTIN, you can change the type of buyer. Then coming below, address of that particular buyer, supplier, contact detail, mobile number, each and everything you can edit from here. Now the billing address and delivery location. This segment is used if you have multiple delivery location. So for by default, if you wish to keep it by default, you can select this and then after it will get saved. Now in your right hand side, you will see an option of additional users. Additional user format is majorly used around adding multiple users. Like Ankit Janwar is added as one of my users. So what I will do, if I wish to add a new user, I will select on this add option. I can enter the first, last name, email, contact number, and then after I will save it. So that particular buyer and supplier will get saved. That particular user in that buyer and supplier will get saved. Now coming below, this is the delivery location. You can add n number of delivery location and billing address here. You can add tag on any buyer and supplier and same will get displayed in the dashboard. This is our TCS setting. We do have another video for TCS and add tag feature. You can go through that as well. So this is how you can update all the details in your buyer and supplier module. I hope it is helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.